Oh, isn't it weird? Things are weird. You get updates in it, and you think it's gonna update everything great, which it does, but get these updates, and then somehow or another in the update, it just changes everything. It's hard to get back to normal. If you're someone out there with a Focusrite interface, um, well, somebody is, because somebody asked me a question about the Focusrite Control 2. I'm gonna show it to you right now and just give you what you were looking for on here real quick. This is what it looks like. And this is the software for my interface. I have a 4i4. From what I read, you have a 2i2, but it will be the same. You'll just have a little less in mixers. I have all these mixers for channels. You'll have less than this, but it'll be the same. This is what you're looking for right here. It's 48. You can find it right over here in the three dots. Push that, go to preferences, and it should be listed at what your system is running. Focusrite, when you open it, reads all the stuff it needs to read to be correct. But I have heard of people ending up in 44.1, which isn't a huge problem or anything. It won't really destroy anything, but it won't be operating at the same as your system. So you would like those to match. You'll have way better quality with the drivers and the preamps if this is all matched up the way it's supposed to be. So look into your system. You can come down here into your search bar and just put in system in your search bar down at the bottom in your Windows, and it'll bring up your whole system and tell you exactly what your hertz is, what hertz your kilohertz you're running at, your sample rate. Go back in here and change it from 41 or 44.1 to 48 or vice versa or any of these. But these are rarities right now. You don't see this very often. You really don't. So it'll either be 48 or 44.1. That's my, I'm assuming that. Um, so anyway, that answers that. And once that's all done, you get that correct, get that matching up. Come in here. You're going to want to put your input right around your gain, around 1 o'clock, maybe a little bit past one. That way you're not right up on the microphone speaking. None of these should be lit up. I mean, the safe, you can light the safe up and it'll be fine. It's just a little bit less power and then a little less volume or gain. The air makes it a little bit lighter sounding. So it's more thin, I should say. So I turn that off as well. You can adjust that in OBS too. You're not using an instrument. Well, your voice is an instrument, but what this means is that you have something actually plugged in. You have a microphone plugged in. The microphone's not an instrument, really. It's your voice. That is. So you don't want this highlighted. And unless you're using a condenser mic, if you're using a dynamic mic like I'm using right now, I'm using a Fine 688, and it doesn't need power. It's USB or XLR. And so the power I have, the mic already has power. Dynamic mics don't usually need this. I don't know of any that does really. But if you do have a condenser mic, most condenser mics need a 48-volt power supply in order to work the process, the signal. So that will be lit if you are using a dynamic mic. Okay, from there, you're going to come in here. When you're speaking, you're going to want this not muted. When you're doing your playback, you're going to want to mute that and open this up, and it'll play back whatever it is that you're doing. be it video or just you talking or music or whatever it is that you're doing. You're going to want this off if you want to hear the playback. Like when you open up the video that you made, this needs to be off so you can hear it. Your routing, um, I have everything in Mix A, and it's been working out really well. Like I said, I did an update a while back. This was a mess all of a sudden. I don't know why. You do an update, things go weird. But I got it all back, and I didn't used to do it like this. I used to do it, you know, analog 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and mix A, let's say. And if you go into DAW, if you do the DAW, this might be 5, 6. Um, but I don't know what happened. I really don't. I couldn't tell you. I did an update, and this seems to be working in my DAW, my standalone, and when I'm doing videos for YouTube. So I'm just leaving it. I'm not going to question it. I'm not going to jinx it, I hope. Knock on wood. And we'll go from there. But that's it. That's all you really need. If you are having problems with doing it this way and you need to do your DAW and set it up in 1 and 2, like if you did this and you're in your DAW and you want to go input 1 and 2, and your second one being 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, um, and you just don't want to always come in here and change it, you can preset that, make it to the way you want. And once it's in the way you want, you just push new preset and it'll come up as preset. It'll have you name it. You can put in like, my DAW configuration or whatever. And once it's in there, you push next or you push next or allow or whatever, finish, whatever it says, I forget. And it'll be in there. Just go to next time you're in your DAW, you go to presets, boom, hit that button, boom. You don't have to configure it. It's already done. I used to do it that way a while back, but like I said, I got some weird update in my Focusrite Control 2, which is this here, right here, Focusrite Control 2, my software. I got some update for that, and all of a sudden everything was different, but it worked. I didn't change it. It changed itself, apparently. Went to Mix A on everything. So I just tried it. Luckily, I did because it works great. Anyway, that's that. I'm going to play one hole of golf just to kind of give you an idea of what's going on when you do something similar to this. Go to WGT and play one game, play one hole. I don't even know how much coinage I have. I really don't know coinage I have. It's a mystery right now. Probably not good. 31,000. Yeah, like I said, it's not good. I played the other day and I ended up playing somebody that was a 200 level. And whenever I see that, it's like, oh, well, I could just quit because those guys are so good. I mean, I'm pretty good at this game, I'll tell you what, and I've beat them before. But man, when you see that 200, that's somebody that's been playing since this game came out. They've been playing for I don't even know how long, probably 20 years. I really don't know. I couldn't tell you. That's how long it's been. But a 200 level, that's somebody that's been playing a very, very long time. So wanna do let's do 3 holes. Give myself and this guy, whoever it is, this person, whoever it is, a chance to kick my butt. I'm sorry, I wasn't looking. That looked like a 103. 103 level. And if that's the case, this very well may. This may very well be an ass whooping for me. This ball doesn't travel as nice as I'd like it to. This isn't a great ball, but it's a decent ball. Oh man, that's the wrong club. Let me go like that, I guess. That's going to be left of the pin, darn it. Mm, not a good shot. I am not used to that ball. In fact, I gotta even see what it is as far as yardage. It's just 3.5. That's pretty good. Not much spin. Um, don't care about the durability or the meter speed. The 3.525. That's what I care about. And he is going to be right of the pin. It looks like not by much. That's a good shot. Oh no. Well, I mean, it's not horrible. Look at mine. Mine's horrible. Well, if by some miracle I make this putt, that's pretty far. I've made longer putts, though. So let's just see what's going on here. Doesn't look like it's doing too much. Very fast, though. So I'm going to go like this, and it's downhill. Downhill. And I'm hitting it hard. That's in the hole if it goes. There you go, baby. Torrey Pines. In real life, this used to be my home course. Golf this course. I don't even know. Hundreds of times. And then the graphics on here look exactly like it. I mean, exactly like it. Like that tree right there. That tree's actually on the course. All these trees are, but I know that tree. I know it sounds funny when I say that, but it's true. In fact, we actually named my youngest daughter after the Torrey pine. These pine trees here, they're a Torrey pine. And it's the only place in the world it grows is right here in San Diego. They don't grow that tree does not grow in any other part of the earth. And we named our daughter after that tree just because the tree's so unique. So anyway, her name's Tori, as you can tell. And it's spelled Torrey, just like the course, just like the tree. Yeah. And they really did the graphics on the courses on here. They're spectacular. They really are. Even these office buildings in the background there, they're exactly that color. They look exactly like that. like this over here. This 5-story building right here, it's there, and it looks just like that. And the houses on the other side of the course are exactly like it. Pretty crazy. I'll never make it here, so I'm just gonna nail it. My 3-wood just does not travel. That's the weirdest thing. Just doesn't it just doesn't work. There's people on here that are behind me, like 20 yards behind me. Their 3-wood is less of a 3-wood than mine. It's not supposed to go as far, and they'll make the green, and I won't. I to this, day, I haven't been able to figure it out at all. I have no idea why it's like that. I've tried everything. It's the weirdest thing. It really is strange. Hey, let's do a flop. Flop from there. I'm gonna go 16 yards. This is 10. This is 15 right here. We're gonna try to get that. It's got to go uphill a little bit, so we're gonna give it a good pop. Ooh, don't do that. Almost forgot to change my gig. Okay, here we go. That's 15. I'm gonna go like that right there. See what happens. And ooh. Oh, see, not enough. I don't know this ball. That really hurt right there. That should have been further than that. That's pretty wild. I did make a mistake. I hit the ding on that. And when you do the flop shots, hitting the ding, you really don't want to. You want to hit before it. I don't know if that's why it only went that far. I really wish there was a way to do it again so I could kind of see what was happening there. Get a reference. Yeah, going uphill. Well, that's not going to break as much as you think, but it's going to break quite a bit still. Very fast. Let's do that. That's in. Nice putt. Now, I'll be surprised this guy doesn't quit. If he doesn't forfeit, I'll be really surprised. He's using a 47, I think, his ball. That ball should be spinning more. Those 47s are good balls. The 48 that I normally use is better. Costs the same, but it is definitely a better ball. This is a little strange. I'm going to go 207. Spin. 8 down with wind behind me. This ball does not travel as far as my ball, but I'm going to treat it as such. It should be pretty good. Oh, wow. Man, look at that. That's really far. Hard to judge. Hard to judge. Okay, let's look at this guy's ball real quick. That's a 48, isn't it? It is. A 48. That's the ball I use. That's the best ball you can buy right there. That ball right there. If you buy balls, that's the one to buy. He's not spinning that ball very well, though. What's his clubs? What's his irons? The irons must be, oh, they're way down. Those are nice irons, but either he's not spinning the ball or his irons aren't able to. That ball, if I would have hit that ball full spin, I would have backspun all the way down to the hole, or it would have stayed right here where it bounced. You see that hard break right before it. That thing broke really pretty hard, like right here. It moved a little bit, and then it broke kind of hard right there. I'm going to go like that. Downhill. I'm going to hit this pretty hard. Broke more than I wanted it. Yeah, that's for sure. Hey, for the win. Remember the plus key on your calculator side of your keyboard. If you have that, you don't have a full on, 60% gaming keyboard. If you have a full size keyboard, it's a plus sign. So zoom in on that so you can see the hole by pulling it. Now this is going to make your putt a lot stronger. So watch yourself. I just go right here like that, right up to the front of it. Boom. So anyway, that's the video, you guys. And to that person that was asking me about the Focusrite Control 2, good luck with that. Just set it up like I said and check out your operating system. Make sure it's either 41 or whatever it is. Make sure it matches. And you guys have a great day. Monday. I get Mondays off, but anyway, you guys have a great day and take care. And when you're out and about, be kind and subscribe to the channel. Give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I'll gladly ask any question or answer any question that you guys ask. So you guys, anyway, you guys have a great day. God bless. I'll finish it up with this, I guess. There's your mystery boxes. You get a bunch of these every time, so don't buy the mystery boxes. If they offer to buy them, don't buy them. You get them all the time. All right, you guys. Like I said before, be kind, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.